Workflows allow you to automate actions in DocBits using simple rule-based logic. Before you can use the feature, you must enable it. Go to Settings. Open the Document Processing module. Select Document Type Workflow Builder. Enable the workflow feature. Once activated, a new workflow icon appears in the side menu. Workflows consist of three core elements: the trigger, when, the condition, and the action, then. Together, these components define when a workflow should run, under what circumstances, and what it should do. The when section decides what event starts the workflow. Example: when a document is of the type invoice, the and section adds additional checks that must be true before the workflow runs. Example: and the document is in the status ready for validation. The then section defines what the workflow does once the trigger and conditions are met. Example: then assign it to the finance team and send a notification. Using these elements, you can build workflows that fit your document process perfectly. Here in the overview, you can see all existing workflows displayed in a clean dashboard. Check out our other examples and use cases to see how this feature can help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.